Alrighty guys, welcome aboard. Welcome to Yacht Ocelot. My name is Devin, I'm the captain.
I am Chef Tim.
And we're going to take you on a quick tour of the boat. Alright, so obviously we've got the cockpit area right here. This is where we serve most dinners most nights. We are an 8-pack, so sometimes we'll, if we've got kids and adults on board, we'll allow the parents to sit outside, enjoy themselves, and we'll stick the kids inside, give them a couple toys, and give the parents a few minutes to enjoy themselves. So we've got our dinghy back here. We've got a nice little 40 outboard on the back here, so we can take kids surfing. We've got a tube right down here, take kids tubing. Really just like to get them out in the water and enjoying themselves. We've got 4 trawling rods on board. You can see 2 of them right here. We've got a ton of fishing gear. If we ever sail over to St. Croix, we like to throw some rods in the water, get some fresh fish, tuna, mahi, fillet it right up, and make some sashimi for appetizers. Come on up to the bow. You can see right here we've got all brand new Scuba Pro snorkel equipment. So we've got any sizes from extra small up to extra large. Everybody in the family can come out snorkeling with us. All right. And up here we've got our 2 inflatable paddle boards. Love having paddleboard races with everybody. Sometimes we'll do guys versus girls, older versus younger. Get a little competition going. It's really a lot of fun to have that. We've got our lounge area up here. It's a beautiful spot when we're sailing. Everybody likes to sit up front. You get a little spray through the trampoline up here. We've got our subwing up here. You can also tow that from the stern of the dinghy, and you throw in some snorkel gear, throw in a mask, and you can actually kind of glide underwater and see what's at the bottom. It's a great way to find some lobster. We've got our floating mat right here, which is great when you want to have a couple cocktails and just kind of sit in the water and relax a little bit. We've got our kayak up here. We've got plenty of inflatables for the kids. We've got our shark right here. And you can come on up to the bridge with me. And this is our bridge deck up here. We like to call it the sun deck. This is the best spot in the house when we're out sailing. You get a nice view of everything, nice view of the bow, waves, it's beautiful. Got a couple more inflatables up here for the kids. We've got quite a big helm station right here. Pretty cool feature. Normally sits here in the center, but you can actually hit this little button here at the bottom and move it either over to the left or right, so you get a better vantage point when you're sailing. As you can see, we've got some more fishing gear up here, 2 more trawling rods. Right above your head, we've got our surfboard, so we can actually take the kids out surfing. That's actually Chef Tim's forte. He's really good at it. And we can come back on down. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to hand this off to you. And I'm gonna hand it over to Chef Tim.
Oh, good afternoon. Let's put this little lapel mic on here. So we're gonna take a quick tour of the interior now, starting with our aft hatch. We got the DeLorean door here, and then a walk down. Proper queen size beds, plenty of space to put your clothes, a full bathroom off to your aft side here. Shoot that. Full shower, toilet, all the amenities. Now come up this way, we're gonna go inside. I do feel like I'm on MTV Cribs right now. I wanted to say the bed's where the magic happens, but we'll say this is where most of the magic happens. You'll be seeing me standing here for about 10 to 12 hours a day, cooking for you guys, breakfast, lunch, dinner, appetizers, desserts, snacks, all the accoutrements we're going to take it down to the port side. We're not going to show you the crew cabin right now. It's a tornado. Right here, proper queen size bed. Toilets, freshwater systems, full shower inside here. We will provide shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all reef safe, eco-friendly products. Heading back up to the main deck here, we will go to the starboard side, and this is the most special room, in my opinion, the master suite. So you guys can fight over it, flip a coin, whatever you want to do. But here we have a proper big cabin. Bed, a little office space, tons of storage in here. Shower, and then our toilet is actually right in here. So disconnected. And our forward cabin, very similar to the port side. Queen size bed, full AC, all the proper accompaniments. Shower, toilet, vanity. I think we'll head back upstairs now. At night, you'll usually see me be playing this on the aft deck. If I had a couple beers, maybe I'll play and sing for you. But this is it. Welcome to Ocelot.